Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer Solana from Mexc to Phantom wallet. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Mexc exchange. Once you have logged into your Mexc account, after that you just need to simply tap on the wallet section at the bottom right corner, and here you will find the withdraw section, so simply tap on the withdraw button. From this list of cryptocurrencies in the search bar, you have to simply search for Sol as well and select the Solana coin, and after that select the withdrawal method, so simply tap on the on-chain withdrawal. Click on confirm, and here you will need to enter these details in order to transfer Solana from Mexc to Phantom wallet. So in order to get the withdrawal address, we just need to simply minimize this application and open your Phantom wallet. Once you have logged into your Phantom wallet account, after that, in order to get the Solana wallet address, you just need to simply click on this receive button at the middle of your screen, and here at the top you will find Solana wallet address. So simply copy this, and once you copy this address, simply reopen your Mexc account and paste this address here. After pasting, click on confirm, and after pasting, select the network Solana, and always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose your funds. After that, enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer. Once you enter, click on the confirm button at the bottom right corner. It will take 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your Solana from Mexc to Phantom wallet. And that's how you can transfer Solana from Mexc to Phantom wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.